There's a train coming! Ah. I'm filming the train. I'm a train watcher, a train spotter. Whoa. Where's the train? Hi, train. Wasn't that exciting? Oh my gosh, the Cockle Train! What's for lunch?
A sandwich.
What's in it?
A whole bunch of stuff.
Like?
Avocado.
Avocado, yum!
Balls.
Avocado sandwich with balls.
With balls of meat.
Balls of meat. I don't know if I'll eat mine now. Pretend you're Glazelle.
Glazelle.
Yeah.
I don't have to pretend to Glazelle.
This is Glazelle. Is you okay? Is you? Because I just want to know.
I can pretend to be Natalie Tran.
Okay.
Hi. That's it.
You're good at that though. What other YouTube personalities are there?
That really ugly girl. That with like the teeth and the glasses.
I don't know who
Her
that
favorite
is.
animal is the lobster. The one that sings really badly.
Well, be Shane Dawson and pretend you're Paris Hilton.
Sandwich is hot. I think it's sexy.
It's funny that I'm telling you to impersonate someone impersonating whatever her face is. Paris.
What did you say the other day?
Stracco.
This flower looks like a bird. But not.
What?
Flower looks like a bird. Isn't it hot?
Oh yeah, bird of paradise. Ambulance.
Windy.
Please pretend to be Glazelle.
Hi.
I would
So you can
love
put
it.
this on Facebook.
Yes. For me.
Yeah.
For me.
I don't know.
Just do it.
You do it.
I
film
did.
You doing it.
I did.
Really do it again.
But I already did it. I already did my impersonation. Okay, I'll stop recording.
You're still recording.
I know.
Smooth.
I know, right? Please.
I'm trying to think of other people.
No, I just want you
There's
to
no
do
really,
Glazelle.
no one really.
Just Glazelle. Glazelle. Glazelle.
Glazelle.
Wow, you have pretty eyes.
Thank you.
No shot.
You have to film me when I look like a beast.
You don't look like a beast. You look gorgeous. Aww. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording because I want to eat my sandwich. I forget what she does at the end of her filming clips. I don't know. See you later.